This is Jen. This is Matt. They sleep with the monster. Matt's snoring. They tried everything. Pillows, strips, sprays, and plenty of elbows. But the monster always won. Eventually, Matt and the monster were sleeping on the couch. Then Matt learned about ZQuiet, a comfortable, flexible, simple, state-of-the-art mouthpiece that relieves snoring. The first night, it worked. Now Matt is happy, and Jen is happier. And Matt's monster is out on the street. Be like Matt and Jen, and sleep quiet with ZQuiet. ZQuiet works for both men and women. Try ZQuiet today.